Hello everyone, I'm Aryan and welcome to my channel Next Bag by Aryan. And I am back with yet another video on planets. Number 1 is Mercury. Slightly larger than the Moon. This inner planet is the smallest one and the closest to the Sun. It has no moons orbiting around it. Its orbit is oval and its surface is full of craters. Temperatures on Mercury are extremely high and there is no atmosphere. Number 2 is Venus. Venus has no moons. After the Moon, it is the brightest natural object in the night sky. It is covered with craters that are very large in size. There are many major volcanoes on Venus that shows it is a volcanically active planet. Many areas of Venus are covered in lava. Number 3 is Earth. Of all the planets that make up the solar system, the Earth is the only one that supports life. This is a planet where surface temperatures remain moderate because of the presence of water and an atmosphere. The Earth has only one moon. Number 4 is Mars. This planet is one of the most noticeable ones because of its reddish color. It is smaller than the Earth. Its surface is covered with large rocky and sandy plains with mountains and small craters. Mars has two tiny moons which orbit very close to the surface. Their names are Phobos and Deimos. Number 5 is Jupiter. Is the giant of the solar system. Its diameter is 10 times greater than the Earth's. Its gravitational pull is so high that it slightly affects the movement of all other planets. Jupiter has 16 known moons. There are 4 large moons and 12 small ones. Number 6 is Saturn. Saturn's magnificent rings make this planet unmistakable. Even with a small telescope, it is possible to see the little disk of Saturn surrounded by its rings. Saturn seems so small when seen from the Earth because it is almost twice as far away as Jupiter. Saturn has 18 known moons plus some more smaller ones that are part of the rings. Number 7 is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and the 3rd largest of the 8 planets. Uranus has 27 known moons. Uranus is blue and quite clean because of the atmosphere that was made out of methane. Number 8 is Neptune. Neptune is a blue gaseous planet that can be seen only with the aid of powerful binoculars. It has a very active atmosphere, as indicated by its spots and transverse band. It is surrounded by a small ring. Neptune orbits the Sun once every 165 years. Neptune is the oldest planet in the solar system. as it is the farthest from the sun. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.